So everyone, I'm back now. So this is where I left you earlier, which is two sessions with a profit of 32 units. Now here is where we are going to start again. For change, I'm going to do flat betting here because I wanted to show the effectiveness of the bet selection process that was described by Flat in one of his posts earlier. So I'll focus on bet selection in this video, and I'll show how powerful Flat's bet selection is. So I'll do a flat betting all across. Our targets, everything still remain the same. The only thing is now because we are going to do flat betting, I initially thought of decreasing the target a bit, but let's see as and when the game goes along. I'll see how it goes and then stop or start. And similarly, I spoke last time about using the same bet selection, which is either red, black, or odd, high, or low, even, that kind of combinations throughout the game, and to show the powerfulness of cyclic betting. But I'll reserve it for the next session. So I have also switched to Bet Voyager because everybody is seeing Bet Voyager mostly in the forum. So now the thing is, I've spun 6 spins now, as you can see here, and I've entered all those 6 spins in here, and you can see all these 6 spins are here. So what I'll do is, next bet I'll do LBO, which is the first of those 6 spins, which is 13, low, black, and odd. So essentially I'm placing 1 unit bet here, black, odd, and low. So it is 19. Again, so we rebet the same thing, because we will do the same thing for 7th, 8th, and 9th spins. Yeah, so these are our results for 7th, 8th, and 9th spins, 19, 25, and 1. As you can see, we are in the negative of 1 unit at the moment. Now what we are going to do, we are going to take essentially the 4th spin, or we are going to retrack 6 spins back. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is our first of the 6 spins, which is spin of the having count 26, and it is a high black even. So what we are going to do, we are going to do the next 3 bets, which is essentially 7, 8, and 9 in this particular cycle, with high, black, and even. So it is high, black, even. Here we go. Base is a genius. So it was 28, 36, and 4. 28, 36, and 4. Now at this stage, what I'll do is I'll pause the video for a moment, because what I would like to do is continue on the same spin for some more time and see how it is to keep the video size limited. Yeah, so I'm good. Okay guys, now I'm at the end of spin number 31, complete flat betting. I'm at 14 units plus. I'm going to stop it here. I'll update our bankrolls with 14 here, so that we see how our next session is looking like. So I'll split the bankroll based on the same principles that I shared last time. My take home is now going to become 16, essentially plus 50% of this 14, that is 16 plus 7, then 25% of this 14, which is approximately 4, is going to go into my new bankroll. So I'm taking it 4. Now out of this I'm going to get a erosion fund of 3%, which is going to go in here. So this becomes 11, and this becomes 102. and the rest of the amount, which is the 3 units, is going to go in here, which is with a cushion bankroll of 10, and we are finally at 2046 for this particular section. Now at the end of session 3. Now one important thing to note, or rather a funny thing to note, is a triplet that I got here, and you know what I'm talking about. According to GGSoft, this triplet, betting on a triplet of 1 unit would have gained me 1296 units. Ending with that note, see you in the next session. Thanks.